Here's an update on the massive art theft that happened last week. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Bogus Red. I'm the owner of PaperDemon.com, also known as the PaperDemon Art role-playing game. Last week, I informed the art community about a massive theft of millions of artwork and written fiction that was scraped from several art sites and published on the Hugging Face AI dataset site. For those that need to be brought up to speed, a lone scraper scraped millions of works from several art and writing sites, including Archive of Our Own, Artful, Artgram, Character Hub, Itaku, Paintberry, and my own art and writing community website known as PaperDemon.com. The art sites mentioned did not authorize these scrapes and did not authorize the works to be used for training AI. These scrapes were all done by one person. Initially, the datasets were uploaded to a site known as Hugging Face. This is where people can publish datasets to be used by others for training AI. Hundreds of creators have filed copyright infringement reports, and as of the time of this recording, the datasets for Artgram and Itaku were completely deleted from Hugging Face. The rest of the datasets have been temporarily disabled. This means at this time people can't download the datasets from Hugging Face, but we're not out of the woods yet. The scraper so far has counterclaimed several of the DMCA takedowns. It will be up to the owners of the artwork and the art sites to file lawsuits in order to get these datasets permanently taken down. After the datasets were disabled, the scraper decided to get around these DMCA takedowns by reposting the datasets to two other websites, including Modelscope and his own personal website. Modelscope is a site similar to Hugging Face where people can share datasets for others to use for training AI. Word about the Modelscope datasets was quickly discovered across the art sites, and we were able to get all but the Itaku dataset deleted within a day. I've decided not to share the scraper's personal website address out of safety concern. As for getting the datasets removed from Hugging Face, it's a waiting game now. For those of us who run online art communities, this is a huge wake-up call that we need to do more to protect the works of our community members. It's also a wake-up call for artists as well, that there's more that we need to do to protect our work online. Already made several updates to PaperDemon, and I've got several more coming to help protect artists' works. If you're not already using Glaze or Nightshade, I strongly recommend you start using these tools now. On Hugging Face, when you file a copyright claim, it creates a public thread where anyone can join in on the conversation on your claim. Unfortunately, this has resulted in a lot of very heated and disrespectful conversations about whether the copyright claims are legitimate or not. Some people are making the argument that if something is freely available on a website, that means anyone can take it and use it. And others are also arguing that fan fiction in particular cannot be copyrighted because it is a derivative work. Regardless of your expertise, feelings, or opinions on this matter, I strongly recommend you remain respectful in these conversations and avoid engaging with anyone who cannot join this conversation in a respectful way. For more up-to-date information on the AI scrape situation, please visit PaperDemon.com and look for the pinned post. As I stated, this situation is not resolved yet. Please keep checking back to see what the latest information is. Most of these datasets have not yet been deleted from Hugging Face, so there's still the chance that they will be re-enabled and allowed to be proliferated through the internet again. Please keep checking back on PaperDemon.com to find out the most latest up-to-date information.